So hello everybody.
Yes,
Very good morning everybody.
good morning.
So as we all know, today we are having a conversation like before we had in class. So I am gonna ask some of the questions to this is the student Ananya. Say hi in the camera.
Hi.
Yes, this is Mukesh Rock. And today we are having a conversation in English. So Ananya, how are you?
I'm fine. So what about you?
Yes, I am also very fine. Thank you very much for asking. So nowadays you are learning English, right here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, where are you learning English? By the way, you can tell to the students.
I'm learning English in Paradise Institute, and the teacher is Mukesh sir, and he teaches very well.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much for your compliment also. And so you have been coming here for a long time.
Yes.
So
sir.
how do you feel when you learn English in this classroom at the Paradise Institute?
I feel like I'm a student and I'm just learning English. I don't hesitate to speak English.
In front of people and all, right?
Yes.
Are you confident?
Yes, I'm.
Are you confident?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes. Sir.
What about your friend Khushi? Is she confident?
Yes, sir. She is also confident.
Yeah, she is confident and also she is a very nice English speaker.
Yes, sir.
So, do you like my method of teaching English?
Yes, sir. I like your method.
So, all these students are learning English. So, they are also working hard to learn English. So, what message would you like to give to these students for learning English? A better English. Any suggestion can you give?
Yes, the students can speak English confidently, and they can.
You should say them directly.
And you can also come ahead and speak English confident, and
Mhm.
yes, now.
And improve your personality.
Okay.
Because English is a very crucial and important part of our personality, right?
Yes.
It's a great communication. So do you think like can we crack any interview? Otherwise, can we go ahead in life without English knowledge?
No, we cannot.
Is it possible?
No, it is not possible.
Why? What kind of problems we will face if we don't have English knowledge?
We cannot speak about in front of people.
Yes.
And we cannot improve our personality, and we cannot stand how to just stand in front of people.
Yeah. So nowadays we all know that we must learn the public speaking.
Yes.
Whenever we come out from the crowd, and if we are able to speak, otherwise address the people, means we have different kind of identity, right? So if we want to make a different and very impressive identity of ourselves, then we must come out from the crowd and we must speak, whether it is Hindi or English, right?
Yes, yes.
So English is just a language, we can learn it, right? And we need practice. So these are the things about learning English. And but now I want to ask you some of the personal questions. Can I ask you?
Yes, sir, you can.
Do you, will you give me permission to ask?
Yes,
Yeah, sure. It's my pleasure. Thank you very much. So can you tell me like what food do you like the most?
I like the food.
You can speak a little louder.
I like the food. My favorite food is like momos.
Momos.
Yes.
Means you are like a fast food lover.
Yes.
Do you take also coffee and tea?
No, I just take only coffee.
Coffee. Okay, that's fine. Who prepares coffee in your family?
My mother prepares coffee for me.
Does your mother prepare coffee tasty? Otherwise tasteless?
Oh, my mother prepares coffee tasty.
Okay. So next time, when will you invite me for coffee to your home?
Yes.
Would you like to invite me?
Yes, I will.
Okay, sure. When will you invite me for coffee?
I will invite you now.
Now, but you are here now.
You can go with me.
Okay, sure. It's my pleasure that you are offering me coffee at the same time. Okay. So, do you like to travel different kind of places?
Yes, I like to travel different.
What kind of places do you like to travel?
I like to travel Vaishno Devi, Jammu Kashmir, Manali, and
Oh wow, it's really amazing and sounds great.
Yes,
Means
sir.
you like natural places.
Yes.
Don't you like historical places?
Yes, I also like historical
Are you
places.
interested in history?
No, I'm not interested
But
in
sometimes you
history
like to
sometimes.
visit forts and all.
Yes.
Okay, that's fine. When did you go for a tour last time? Do you remember it?
I went to tour last time at November.
Okay. What
On
all?
November.
What all did you visit? What all did you see when you go for tour last time? What all का मतलब होता है क्या क्या? What होता है क्या? जैसे क्या क्या खाया? बोलते हैं ना क्या क्या खाया? तो क्या खाया? What did you take? और क्या क्या खाया? What all did you take? तो what all did you visit? क्या क्या आपने घूमी जगह? What all places did you visit in your last tour?
I visit Mansoori,
Okay.
Dehradun, Haridwar,
Okay.
and Rishikesh.
Did you enjoy your tour?
Yes, I enjoyed.
Okay. With whom did you go for tour? Did you go with your friends or your family?
I went to with my school too.
Okay. You should speak a little louder so that
Okay,
our voice
sir.
can catch. Okay, very nice. Don't forget it. Okay.
Yes,
So, would you like the most thing about the Paradise Institute?
I like the most that is speaking English
Okay.
and teaching of English
Mm-hmm.
and discipline.
Okay. So last
Yes.
time when you started coming here for learning English first time, what did you think in your, what kind of thoughts came in your mind? Did you feel hesitate?
Yes, I feel hesitate
I
first
felt.
time. I felt hesitate first time. Then I am just confident
And you are
in
comfortable
fun.
now.
Yes. Sir.
Okay, very nice. Who informed you about our Paradise Institute?
My friend informed me about the
Who is your friend?
Khushi.
Khushi. Yeah, because your friend Khushi came with her mother and they discussed and consulted about the spoken English course.
Yes.
Okay, very nice. So it was my benefit. I'm very fortunate and lucky to have you kind of brilliant student. Thank you very much for having a very nice conversation.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Bye, Gol.
Bye.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay, you clap for Ananya and me.